उसने पैसे गिन कर रखे। He counted the money and kept it. He counted the money and kept it. मैंने सारी किताबें गिन ली। I counted all the books. I counted all the books. पुलिस ने गाड़ी को रोक लिया। The police stopped the vehicle. The police stopped the vehicle. तेज आवाज़ से उसकी नींद टूट गई। His sleep broke due to the loud noise. His sleep broke due to the loud noise. गलत खबर से उसका भरोसा टूट गया। His trust broke because of the wrong news. हंसी की आवाज़ चारों ओर फैल गई। The sound of laughter spread all around. The sound of laughter spread all around. उसने खाने को ढक दिया। She covered the food. She covered the food. कांटा पैर में चुभ गया। A thorn pricked into the foot. A thorn pricked into the foot. सुई उंगली में चुभ गई। The needle pricked the finger. The needle pricked the finger. साबुन के कारण हाथ से बोतल फिसल गई। The bottle slipped from the hand because of soap. उसने दोस्त से थोड़े पैसे उधार लिए। He borrowed some money from a friend. He borrowed some money from a friend. मैं उधार चीज़ें लेना पसंद नहीं करता। I don't like taking things on credit. I don't like taking things on credit. वह बोलते बोलते अचानक रुक गया। He suddenly stopped while speaking. He suddenly stopped while speaking. संकेत मिलते ही गाड़ी रुक गई। The vehicle stopped as soon as it got the signal. उसे अचानक एक अच्छी सूझ आई। He suddenly got a good idea. He suddenly got a good idea. वह सवाल पूछने में झिझक रहा था। He was hesitating to ask a question. He was hesitating to ask a question. पोस्टर दीवार से ठीक से चिपका नहीं। The poster did not stick properly to the wall. गीले फर्श से जूते चिपक रहे थे। Shoes were sticking to the wet floor. Shoes were sticking to the wet floor. गिरते ही कागज बिखर गए। The papers scattered as soon as they fall. The papers scattered as soon as they fall. नीचे देखते ही उसे सिक्का दिख गया। He spotted a coin as soon as he looked down. उसने बैग नीचे रख दिया। He placed the bag down. He placed the bag down. आज सुबह एक अच्छी खबर मिली। I received good news this morning. I received good news this morning. उसने खबर की सच्चाई जांची। He checked the truth of the news. He checked the truth of the news. हवा से उसके बाल बिखर गए। His hair got messy due to the wind. His hair got messy due to the wind. उसने अपने बाल छोटे करवा लिए। He got his hair cut short. He got his hair cut short. बाल गीले होने के कारण ठंड लग रही थी। He felt cold because his hair was wet. He felt cold because his hair was wet. शाम की चाय उसे बहुत पसंद है। He really likes evening tea. He really likes evening tea. वह बिना आवाज़ के अंदर चला गया। He went inside without making noise. He went inside without making noise. बारिश से बचने के लिए सब अंदर आ गए। Everyone came inside to avoid the rain. अंदर का कमरा काफ़ी शांत था। The room inside was quite peaceful. The room inside was quite peaceful. वह बिना देखे पीछे मुड़ गया। He turned back without looking. He turned back without looking. उसने ज़रूरी बातें कागज़ पर लिखी। He wrote important things on paper. He wrote important things on paper. कागज़ गीला होने से ख़राब हो गया। The paper got damaged after getting wet. The paper got damaged after getting wet. थोड़ी देर ठहर कर आगे बढ़ो। Pause for a while before moving ahead. Pause for a while before moving ahead. उसकी नज़र दरवाजे पर ठहर गई। His gaze paused at the door. His gaze paused at the door. पीछे से आई आवाज़ ने उसे चौंका दिया। The sound from behind startled him.